So welcome back to our tutorial video on Rubixx structures. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to insert pad footings. Alright, so let's get right into it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel, drop your comments, and also like the video. Please, you can share to your friends who want to learn the Orion software. Okay, right. So you come to story 0. This is where your foundation is. Foundation is at story 0, and I want to point out the very common mistakes young designers make when they are using the software. So usually what most people do is come here. Once you come to story 0, you right click on it, come to insert pad Bs, and but I'm just going to calculate something now, and I'm just going to pick just randomly, okay, and just calculate. Then let's provide for, just click OK. If you do this and you come to 3D view and you zoom into it, you realize that your pad is not connected to your columns, which is very wrong. Okay, this is very wrong. Right, so what you should do now is for you to watch this video so you can learn to know the best thing to do. Okay, so you're going to click on this, we're going to delete it. You can right click on it and you click delete while that goes. So the first thing you're going to do before you insert your columns after you're done modeling and designing is that you come to your story, your structure tree, right click on it and you edit your story. Okay, so if you want to save changes, you can click yes to save your changes. So story height was story 1 is going to be above 4. Then our foundation depth is going to be 1.5. So you click OK. Once you've established that to be 1.5, now you can insert your pad footing. So you right click, come to insert pad Bs, click on that. So a footing depth, we're going to be using 300. We're going to start with 300. Okay, so surcharge, you know what surcharge is? Surcharge is the weight, the load on something. Okay, so that's the surcharge. Now this surcharge is more like the load on your pad. So unit weight is this. Reliable stress over soil for this building is going to be 150. Okay, concrete cover is 50, usually 50. Why? Because it's in contact with the ground and the ground is exposed to moisture and a lot of other things, so it's good you have a very big concrete cover from like 50 and above, okay, to protect your reinforcement. So steel bars are going to be white off. So we're going to calculate, and it tells you that a 1000 by 1000 pad works. If you notice a punching check, it checks for punching. Alright, so at face of column is okay, at D is okay, in X direction the moment it provides is okay, share check and everything, both X and Y direction, you need to check to be sure it's okay. But we can't provide 1000. The minimum you should provide is 1200, so we're going to change that to 12 by a 12 column pad Bs. Okay, so you can click OK. We click OK. Once you click on that, I don't know why that hasn't changed, so you can click this, come back to properties. You want to change that, sorry, so you need to click the arrow. I want a square, this thing, so 12. Okay, sorry, click square 12. Okay, click OK, and the 12 pad has been added. Alright, or what you can do is you could highlight everything and insert pad Bs, but that usually doesn't give you the very correct answer. Why? I can click this, I click insert pad Bs, the same thing calculates. You see that at 300 it fails, at punching check fails at D. Okay, so what you can do now, you can just increase this footing depth, increase it to 400. You click on calculate, and now it passes. Okay, it passes at 400 depth, so you can click OK. So that is how to insert pad bees and design pad footings on Orion. Alright, so you can do this over and over and over again for all the pads